G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here is the Zebra Shark Pro anchors. Now I know that we've spoken about the Shark Pro anchors before, but I was going through this month's specials and I saw a really good pack we've got in here with the Shark Pro anchors. But what I like about it is we've bundled it this time with the hammer drill bit plus Quattro Alvario. Funny name, yes, but let's have a look at these hammer drill bits. All right, the first thing you'll notice is there is 4 cutting points. Now, traditional drill bits only have 3 cutting points. It also has 4 flutes up the side of the drill bit. What that does is it gets the dust that we're drilled out of the hole quickly, stops the tip from overheating and things like that. Now, they do have an SDS plus drive, so you do need to have a drill with an SDS chuck. Now, the other things about it too is these drill bits will go through the timber, into the concrete, drill through that, and then if it was to hit some Rio, some steel in there, it'll still continue to drill through that steel as well. So you'll get the hole through the whole lot. So it's all lined up, there's no drilling holes through the timber, and then using another drill bit to do the masonry work with. So that's the advantage of the Vario drill bits. All right, now let's go and have a look at the Shark Pro anchors in use. So now you've seen the Shark Pro anchors in a hollow wall through plasterboard, and you would have noticed as the screw was screwed in, they knotted up and became a lump behind the wall, which enabled it to hold. Now, if we were to use these same anchors in masonry, when you put the screw in, the same sort of thing happens and they expand in the hole and lock the anchor in the hole. So you can use these for your masonry and also your hollow walls, which is fantastic. So let's get onto the bundle. So the bundle in the specials is 200 of the 6mm Shark Pros, 200 of the 8mm Shark Pros, and 100 of the 10mm Shark Pros. And of course, they're matched with the Vario drill bits, the 6mm, the 8mm, and the 10mm. So of course, I've got a giveaway for you. And may I add, the feedback has been amazing on our merchandise and our freebies that we're giving away every week. So if you purchase this pack, what we're giving you this time is the hot and cold drink bottle. Fantastic drink bottle, everybody can use it. So to get your hands on the Shark Pro pack, or bundle as we're calling it, and your free drink bottle, simply go to the Wurth app or eShop. In there, find the specials, find this bundle of Shark Pro, put it into your basket, go to the checkout and type in "G'day, drink bottle." And what we'll do is we'll send you the bundle with the Shark Pros and the Vario drill bits to do all your masonry plug work and hollow wall anchor work, and we'll send you the drink bottle as well. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and Shark Pro anchors are ready for work.